Hello guys, today I'm gonna explain how to fix your headphone or speaker problem originating from Realtek Audio Console. If you are watching this video, your PC can see your headphone but not your speaker or vice versa. I have two sound output. One is my speaker and one is my headphone. Now my PC can't see my speaker. This is my headphone and this is my monitor. It doesn't have any speaker. Let's solve this problem. First, you have to check your problematic devices jack on the back panel of computer case. Make sure it's plugged into the green port. Then open the Realtek Audio Console from search. Click settings. Then you have to choose second option from here. Check your device from the taskbar. Yes. Now your PC sees your device. Problem solved. Thanks for watching. See you next time.